Marhaba, this is Abdulrahman from the Arabiker. In this video, we will cover an important special symbol in Arabic that is called sukoon. Before we start, make sure to check the course page on our website to get access to some practice drills and support material. As you remember, in a previous video, we have covered the harakat, fatha, dhamma, kasra. And we said that this word harakat means movements because they are related to how we move our mouth to pronounce these short vowels. For example, ba, fatha, bu, dhamma, bi, kasra. Now the sukoon literally means stillness. So it's the opposite meaning of haraka, movement. So the sukoon, special symbol in Arabic, is used to tell you that this consonant, this letter, is not voweled. For example, it's not ba, bu, bi, but rather it's ib. Ib. See that sound, for example? Or it's not tha, thu, thi, but it's ith. Ith. Non-voweled letter. And now let me introduce you to this sukoon. So the sukoon in Arabic is represented on top of the letter with this little tiny circle. Okay? Let's see it now in real examples. I will use some words that we used in previous videos as well as new words. But before that, you might ask, okay, how come you will use the same words that we covered in the previous videos and we didn't cover the sukoon? Because you will see that it's almost intuitive. If you don't see a vowel, for example, on the character, on the letter, that means it's not voweled. But that is a very risky statement by me. Why? Because I think you remember that we said that short vowels are not always written in Arabic. Sometimes you have just need to deal with a word that has no vowels on it at all. Anyways, stay with me on this. Remember that we talked about the word ji'tu. Ji'tu. So you might have noticed that the hamza in the middle is not voweled. It's not a or e, but rather it was that glottal stop, ji'tu. That is actually sukooned. If you have tried to learn some Arabic vocabulary, you might have come across the word bait. Bait. Now this ya here is functioning as a consonant because it is preceded by a fatha and it actually non-voweled. It is sukooned. Bait. Bait. But remember, if I didn't provide you with this sukoon explicitly written on the character on the letter, it should make no difference. You have to be able to pronounce the word as well. Bait. The same applies here on this sukoon. If I got rid of it, you should be able to pronounce it as well. Ji'tu. Bait. Actually, the sound that I made at the end of the word as well was actually also sukooned. Bait. Because I didn't say baita, baitu, baiti. No, I said bait. But again, don't expect that you will see sukoons all over the place here. Another example. The word taht. Taht. See the ha here is sukooned. Taht. Which means under or below. Last word. Baht. Baht. Now again, let's see how these words would look like using the font. Ji'tu. Bait. Ji'tu, see how it looks similar to this word, ji'tu, and bait, bait. Taht, taht. Let me put the sukoon. Baht, baht. That's it for this video. And to recap, the sukoon is a symbol to tell you explicitly that this consonant here is not voweled. For example, the letter kha khu, khi that we covered, it might sound like a non-voweled. Another example would be the jim, edge, sukoon. It's not jajuji, it's sukooned, non-voweled, edge. I hope you found this video useful. Stay with us on the next videos so we will cover and progress more with the Arabic alphabet. See you there.